Man, cars are built tough. My uncle had a 98 Camry. Never changed the oil, never changed the brakes, and that thing ran forever.
Did it though? Because I feel like the story ends with it breaking down in the worst possible place.
Okay, yeah, the engine seized up on the highway, but that was just bad luck. Right, bad luck. Let's get into it. Yeah, oil is oil. I just top it off when it looks low. Why change it when I can just add more?
Because that's like refilling a coffee cup without washing it. Eventually it turns into sludge and your engine's drinking poison.
Yeah, well, I've been drinking gas station coffee for years, and I'm fine.
That explains a lot.
Running on empty makes driving exciting. It's like a game. Will I make it home? Will I break down in front of my ex's house? Who knows?
Your fuel pump knows, and it hates you.
Look, man, I like to live on the edge.
Then you're about to live at the mechanic's shop.
You mean to tell me you don't floor it when the light turns green? That's the best part of driving.
And that is why your tires look like they lost a fight with a cheese grater.
Tires are meant to be used. What am I supposed to do? Drive like a grandma? No, just don't drive like you're being chased by the police. Man, you act like suspension and brakes don't grow on trees.
They don't.
Man, I just use water. Same thing.
Water does not have anti-corrosive properties.
Bro, it's just water. You act like I'm putting Mountain Dew in there.
At this point, that might be better. Teaching armrest warrior logic is like teaching a pigeon to play chess. No matter what happens, he's just gonna knock over the pieces, crap on the board, and act like he won.
Joke's on you. I actually do know how to play chess. First move, I flip the board and walk away. That's a checkmate where I'm from. I don't need a gauge. I can feel it. If the car is still rolling, I'm good.
You're one pothole away from calling a tow truck.
Man, all these rules. Back in the day, we just drove.
Back in the day, people used to ride horses to work. You want to go back to that too?
All right, time for an ad so we can finally escape this content creation poverty. Let's see if YouTube blesses us today. Yeah, nope. We're still out here hustling for free. Love that. Nah, I just put tape over it. Out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight, out of money. When your engine gives up on life.
It's fine. The car's still running.
For now.
Look, maintenance isn't exciting, but you know what's worse? Watching your car slowly destroy itself because you ignored the basics. Sounds like propaganda from Big Mechanic.
Sounds like common sense.
But now I gotta ask, what's the worst car mistake you have ever made? Be honest, drop it in the comments and tell me, what's one bad habit you know you should stop, but don't? And remember, I'm here, I see you, I'm trying to. Catch you in the next one. Be the hero of your own story. Hit the bell. Save yourself the tragedy of missing Ali's next video.